Today is a milestone. It's kickoff day. From today, we can launch the product on the market. Smoke and toxic substances must not be underestimated, which is why the ultimate question is, how can we effectively prevent the generation of potentially deadly smoke and gases?
A motive
that unites us all and keeps us focused on what we are actually working towards at Krempel every single day. And that's, we want to protect life and technology efficiently, reliably, and responsibly. The task: minimize smoke development and gain time. The aim: no formaldehyde in the process. Halogen-free. Mechanics at higher temperatures. Structural components. Phenol-free. Fire smoke tox similar to phenol materials. The idea: combine the best qualities of epoxy and phenol. The result? KremGuard. For aviation, railway, industry, and battery. We've had a lot of really in-depth conversations with our customers and received some tremendous feedback from the railway and aviation industries, as well as the battery segment. And we are now incorporating this into the project. The comparison: standard composite material versus KremGuard. It's super exciting to be able to generate the high flame protection properties of a conventional phenolic resin system with an epoxy system. With epoxy in particular, the excellent mechanical properties are one of the key reasons for choosing epoxy. In the past, the limit with epoxy, in my opinion, was always flame protection. But now the new system offers a whole range of properties never achieved before. Of course, the really fascinating thing is that we have a material that is very thin, yet has strong mechanical properties, and the fire protection properties that it's ultimately all about. As we can see and hear, a completely intact workpiece. Unlike here as a comparison. Completely loose, delaminated, you can hear it too, as there is no longer such a full sound. The smoke development was really impressive. And also the temperature dynamics on the other side. It was so low. So for us, there is 90 seconds to evacuate the aircraft, and we have this issue of toxicity in particular. And because we're in a closed cabin and need to evacuate people quickly, it's really important to minimize panic and smoke development. And of course, something else to think about is that we have lots of different combinations of materials, and perhaps, when combined with the new product, we'll be able to make a lot of progress. Battery storage solutions, automotive components. I can imagine that my colleagues will be extremely interested in KremGuard. We've actually had customers say to us, "We've had a problem for years. We think you've solved it." And these are exactly the projects that we want to help drive forwards now. We are always at our customer's side right from the very start. It's in our DNA and has been for over 150 years. And when we understand exactly what the customer needs and what the applications need to be able to do, that makes us the ideal partner. There's a reason it's called engineering confidence.